Hey, how's it going, guys? Jackson here with Toasty DIY, and today we're doing one of the last office tour for Toasty Bros and PC Bros that is basically before we've totally taken over the place. So, starting off in the same place as normal. I'm starting off at the door here. Just normally I start outside, but I have my puppy with me today, and he's being rambunctious, so I can't do that. So, yeah, starting off in here, we have our completed wall, which that was one of the first videos we did. Every wall is finished with paint. Every floor, except for maybe one or two rooms, has the new hardwood. So this is the hardwood throughout all of the Toasty Bros office and some of the PC Bros place too, which right now we're in PC Bros territory. So when you walk into this door here, this is gonna be the PC Bros showroom. This is where you actually walk in and, you know, hopefully we have some receptionists or something there. And hopefully we have some computers on display and maybe some parts inside of this little window here. That over there will probably be office space for PC Bros, but yeah, pretty cool space over here. And we got outlets added on the walls too, because there's not a lot of outlets in this building. And yeah, I got some extra space over there too. Don't even know what that'll be for, but yeah, this place is really looking awesome. They already painted all the trim and everything back to white, or if it wasn't white before, it's white now. A lot of echo going on in all these rooms too because of how empty everything is, but that entrance there leads straight to PC Bros warehouse, so that's where all the work happens. So basically this door here will be one of the only ways to get to Toasty Bros office once it's closed and everything. Obviously there's a couple other doors you can go through to get to it, like this one here goes to the warehouse, but you know, it'll essentially stay locked. So we'll start off with, you know what, we'll keep going PC Bros. I do this every time. Okay, PC Bros, reception area, you know, showroom where we have computers, office space, and then coming through this door here, we have bathrooms. Pretty rad. No, but so we have bathrooms. It's probably like the the worst part of the place now, because I went through and did quite a bit of renovation, and it's not top-notch high quality work, but it was cheap, and you know, I kind of had fun doing it. So firstly, you'll notice all the floors are now painted gray with multicolor flake on them. No clear coat or anything crazy. This was about a $300 job for me to do, $350. So I'm pretty proud of it considering it covered the whole warehouse for the most part. So yeah, we got our bathrooms. This is now our manager's office. Pretty cool. Got an ultra wide over there. For some reason, a TV there. We got a mini fridge. And then going over here, we have another little office. I don't really know what it's gonna be used for. We might honestly just keep boxes in here, like boxes that we don't want to break down because we might reuse them. We have tons of cases. We have orders that are open and everything. Don't want to get too close because you guys can't read those. But here is our shipping and fulfillment room. So we got this very awesome bubble rack that I made that I'm actually pretty proud of. It could fit 4 of these giant 2-foot bubble wraps on it. This is where we kind of print off our labels and shipping and fulfillment. This is a table to be able to do that on. We have shelves with packing materials and whatnot. We have quite a few Optiplexes and stuff like that here on these shelves. I don't even know what the shelf is. We just got moved in here, by the way. This is PC Bros. We already have like totally moved, but we have not moved Toasty Bros yet. This is just miscellaneous stuff. We have a couch over here. We have all of the build station area, which is looking pretty good. I'm actually in the process of running lights. I'm gonna have one 4-foot there, a 4-foot there, and a 4-foot there. Basically above each pegboard, there's gonna be one of these 4-foot LED lights facing down to really help light this area up so that people can actually see when they build. This is where we test our computers once they're done. Here's some of the inventory that we have. And you know, let's go around this way now. So we've basically gotten the whole middle and right side of the warehouse covered. But yeah, all the walls are painted gray. It's not the prettiest, but walls painted gray, cove base trim ran, painted the floors, got all of the structural things that I needed to get up as far as shelving and workbenches go. And coming over to here, I did not end up painting any of these floors because, well, I didn't feel like going that far. I was like, this is good enough. I just want to paint where people actually see. Here's this old paint room that Don't really know what it'll be used for. We're gonna probably try to keep it pretty empty so that we can actually do like mods and maybe clean out computers in here. He's doing the tour with me. This room right here is where I'm running some wiring. I'm basically daisy chaining one of the lights to control the lights out there. So when you flip the switch in here, it works on all the lights. But this room here, I think it's gonna be kind of like an RMA room where we put orders that need to be fixed or ones that were returned or whatever. Just pretty general room. Now going here, we're going to the last part of really PC Bros / shareable space. All this is kind of common area, I guess you could call it, that, you know, we'll share between the businesses. But this room here is one of the last rooms that is split between the two. And this is just the, I guess you could call it break room / kitchen. So we're planning on getting a full-size fridge finally, so no more. We'll probably still have a mini fridge or two because, you know, they're just cool. But yeah, we'll actually have a full-size fridge. It's pretty cool. Looks like there's something on the lens. Maybe there's something on my side. Huh, there's like a little black dot that I'm seeing. Maybe I'm crazy. Oh well. But we're gonna have a mini fridge. We have a dishwasher. I don't even know if it works. A sink and a lot of cabinet space. It's pretty cool. We'll probably put a shelf here to keep food and stuff for both businesses. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. Having a full-size kitchen. So I say let's start in the main office. Well, we'll start the entrance basically of Toasty Bros because Toasty Bros has its own entrance. That was kind of the point, was we wanted to keep the businesses separate but in the same building. So you enter here. You know, we got our own entrance. That's gonna stay locked, so none of you weird fans try and come here. Mark my words. But yeah, this is gonna be the Toasty Bros office now, and it is big. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but just from here to there, it's probably about 30, 40-ish feet maybe. And this is gonna be like where, you know, Matt, Zach, Jack, which is me, and McAllister do all of our editing and all kinds of stuff. You know, probably have a couple tables in here. It'll be awesome for live streams. This room here is kind of unclaimed. We really don't know what we're gonna do with it, but here's where that window is. Here's the entrance of PC Bros. And we're probably gonna just fill this with like old computer parts and I don't know, cool things basically. Forrest, look at him. He knows he did bad. He knows. But yeah, so we don't really know what this room's gonna be for. People watching this, remind me to go clean that pee up. It's not mine, I swear. This, we got a piece of 1/4-inch acrylic. Look, he literally knows. Forrest. But here's a 1/4-inch piece of acrylic that is gonna get sandwiched into here. And this is actually gonna be the film room. So it's really cool. We're gonna be able to be in here basically editing, rendering, and you know, our guys will be able to peer in and stalk us or something. I don't know, but that'll be pretty cool. It won't be the greatest for soundproofing, but I mean, with how thick this stuff is, if we actually use a little bit of silicone caulk, it should be about as insulative as a wall. And the plan here is to have a set probably against this wall here. We don't have a ton of backspace, so the main set, you know, Matt and I were talking about would probably be over there where we can actually have some depth with the camera. We'll probably just put like a talking set here. Whenever Matt and I want to do those kind of not filler videos, but, you know, the talking videos where we're not building anything, we'll probably do that right here. And then over here, we're just gonna, just like before, have a really similar to before set with some shelving and some parts and knickknacks and whatnot. This would be like the new filming area. And I did notice that these lights just don't work at the moment, so yay. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of things in here, like in this whole building that the renovation costs did not cover, so we're gonna have a lot of fixing to do. So, okay, so we got the film room, we got office shown, there's the kitchen again. Here is another, oh my God. Here is basically a closet. You know, it's funny, like it's big enough to be like a small office really, but yeah, it's a small closet, I guess, or big closet, small office. So we'll probably keep extra parts in there and whatnot. This is gonna be the new stream room. This is where we will still have the OG couch with some posters or paintings, and then we'll probably have a secondary area over there where we'll have a new table to actually build PCs live rather than having to build them on that bench. Still working on this room here. This is actually like one of the last rooms I was talking about that still needs the fake wood put down, but it's actually a pretty good sized room. You can tell by the echo. But that'll probably also be for just extra stuff or storage. Because we really only have like 2 storage closets in this whole building technically. I guess that's what you call them. But they're big, and that's what's good, is that, you know, they're big, so they'll fit a lot. But I think I've shown everything. I don't know where the puppy went though. Watch this. Forrest! Aha, I found you. But yeah, everybody say goodbye. Say goodbye to the pup. He's been pretty good today. But yeah, so make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you stay subbed to Toasty DIY because Toasty Bros, we don't do this type of content on there because, well, you guys are there for the computers, but Toasty DIY, we do all kinds of cool behind the scenes content. So if you want to see more from all of the Toasty Bros, Matt, Zach, Jack, all of us basically, make sure you check out this channel because you'll be able to see cool behind the scenes stuff like this. So peace out, guys.